Hi guys, it's Annie. This is going to be a fortune teller look. I was trying to figure out if I wanted it to be like a haunted fortune teller. I think it's a fortune teller that's having a long day, you know? She's a little bit tired, she's been working her butt off all day telling people their fortunes. You know, she's dropped a little bit of mascara and her eyeliner's totally smudged. But she's still looking fairly glam. So that's the basis of this look, yeah. So it's a fortune teller look. So this look, guys, is obviously not at all in any way scary. This is more me for Halloween. It's also really easy to put together with what you have in your prop box and your dressing up box and just day-to-day stuff. So today I've just literally thrown on a wig, a scarf. This was a couple of pounds on Amazon. Purple t-shirt, lots of gold jewellery, and the makeup is exactly everything that I already owned in my makeup bag. So I've just last minute invitation and I'm making it work. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. This is look number 3, fortune teller. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Danny. Halloween is nearly here. So today I'm going to be doing look number 3 for Halloween week. Not quite sure how many more I'm going to get done, just because university is mental this week. But this is look number 3. Today I'm going to be doing a spooky but glamorous fortune teller look, so a fortune teller Halloween look. Again, it's not something that's done that often here in the UK, but it's very similar to doing like quite a sexy female pirate type thing as well. So what I wanted to sort of show with this look is when you get that last minute invitation to a Halloween party, there's a couple of looks that you can pull together really quickly. So this one, everybody's got a scarf at home that they can pop on top of their head. You can use some earrings to make the sort of jewellery accessories, chuck some bangles on, chuck some earrings and some jewellery on, a dark lip, a really heavy smoky eye, maybe put some glitter in there, and basically you are on your way for a fortune teller look. Just make it work for you. So that's what we're going to be doing today. So again, get ready with me. Today I'll be using a mix of makeup from Bobbi Brown to Smashbox and loads in between. So I hope you guys enjoy this look. It is look number 3, fortune teller.
The sun's going down as I try to make my way through the crowd. Feeling alive, I love being by your side, it makes me shine. We got one summer, so let's make it count. You make me feel like everything's alright. Let's dance our problems away in the night. Love being right next to you. that your love is endless. If it's only for now, I don't mind, 'cause I know that your love is endless. It might be over tomorrow, but this day will live on forever. You'll be on my mind. I'll be dreaming about this till the end of time. We are young, we are free, down for the ride. Might be over tomorrow, but we got to stay forever. Live on
there we go, look number 3 done. Just got to get into a costume. But so mostly used, loving the Huda palette. So I've used the purples, Amethyst, Twilight, Royal on the lid. Loving this brand new, for me, brand new, Smashbox Cover Shop Bold Glitter Eye Palette, and I used Gold Digger and the purple, which is Let's Reflect. Just on the lid as well. In the crease, I used Bobbi Brown's a couple of years ago Caviar and Rubies eyeshadow palette, and I used the black, which is Caviar. On my lips is the Stila Stay All Day liquid lipstick, and that is in the beautiful colour Chianti. And I've just put some of that Gold Digger powder eyeshadow just to press that into the lip. Base is Bobbi Brown Skin Longwear Weightless Foundation to give a nice flawless base, mixed in with a little bit of the Sleek Highlighting Elixir, illuminating drops in pop-in bottles, and I've also used that for the tears. Eyeliner is Bobbi Brown, eyeliner on the top, liner is, oh no, I've just got liquid eyeliner. Eyeliner on the top is Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner, and that's in Intense Black. Mascara was the Triple X Magnum Mascara. Love that, gives some really, really intense brows. On my really intense lashes, on my brows is the new Benefit Brow Styler, which I love. I'm still getting to grips with it. They're a little bit off point today, just because I've just had them done again. Concealer, Double Wear Hot Rouge from Bobbi, but in Raspberry. Little bit of glitter and glow from Stila going on, hula bronzer, and I can't think of anything else really. A little bit of Bobbi Brown shimmer brick. Really, oh, and the highlighter on the cheeks is Bobbi Brown's highlighting powder in Sun-Kissed Glow, which was just beautiful for this. I wanted her to have a real goldy feel and it to be much more bronzy and heavy sort of makeup. Don't be too worried about the eye side of things if it drops a little bit and looks a little bit messy, because I'm not wanting her to look particularly neat. She's supposed to have had a long day at the carnival telling fortunes and things like that, so and it will go once I get all into my costume. So I hope you guys like this. I'm going to go and get changed, ready for the party. Look number 3 done. So there we go guys, look number 3 done, fortune teller. So all I've done is I've popped upstairs, added some false eyelashes, added a little headband which was a couple of £2 on Amazon, same as the headscarf, just a couple of £2, and this is just a Smithy's wig that I've used for Morticia and so many other things over the years, and a purple top and some gold jewellery to accessorise, and that is about it. So I think if you get a last minute invitation to a party, this is quite a good one to probably, most people have got enough things in their wardrobe and things to put together, but it's always handy if you keep some dressing up bits and bobs like a scarf or a couple of wigs and things just in case, and then just mix it up and just do what you want really, just throw anything together and make it work, just own it. So that's but I really like this. I'm probably going to use this for something next time we get invited to something. I really like it. It's you could also sort of turn this into a very sort of Arabian princess look if you wanted to, so it's multi-use prop buying we're talking about here. Yeah, I really like this look. Definitely an ultimate smoky eye there, isn't it? Loving the dark lip. It's quite nice to have. It's very not me, but actually I quite like it every now and again, and I love that glow. Yeah. So look number 3, fortune teller done. So my crystal ball tells me that tomorrow you're going to tune into my YouTube channel and watch look number 4 for Halloween week. That'll be up tomorrow. I'm not going to tell you what it is because I want it to be a surprise, but I hope you like it and I hope you like this one. If you want to follow me on Instagram, it's Daniela_Logan_makeup. On Twitter, it's Monty_Logan MUA. Yeah, I hope you like the look, guys. So mostly we've used things like things with pigment like Huda Desert Dust palette. Loving the Stila today. So we've got the XXX mascara, the Stay All Day liquid lip, and of course, as always, loving my Bobbi. But this little elixir of highlighter from Sleek, the highlighting elixir, illuminating drops, is actually to die for. So we're almost at Halloween. I don't know about you, but I'm busy getting prepped. I don't know if you can see my pumpkins in the background. I don't know if we're going to get a chance to go pumpkin picking this year. I hope so. Yeah, Halloween is almost here. I hope you're all finding this a little bit of inspiration to make your mind up for what you're going to dress up for your Halloween parties and have a bit of fun. Thanks for watching as always, guys. Hello to my new subscribers. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to see more videos, and if you like the video, do give me a thumbs up. That would be amazing. Yeah, so that's it from me and my crystal ball. I will see you tomorrow for look number 4 of Halloween week. See you later, guys. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.
We're just beautiful creatures, singing loudly on the floor. We could